During the International Defense Exhibition IDEX 2025, the Spanish company EM&E Group, also known as Escribano, signed a Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) with the armored vehicle manufacturer NIMR, based in the United Arab Emirates. The primary goal of the agreement is the transfer of technology and expertise necessary to establish production of JAIS 6x6 armored vehicles in Spain. This initiative aims to enhance Spain's technological and industrial potential in the defense sector. Thanks to the signed agreement, EM&E Group will gain access to NIMR's advanced developments in armored vehicle manufacturing and integration. This collaboration will enable Spain to develop local production capacities while ensuring that the vehicles produced meet the highest global standards. In turn, this partnership provides NIMR with a gateway to the European market, strengthening its global position. This agreement is part of EM&E Group's broader strategy to expand international cooperation and integrate advanced manufacturing methodologies. The company aims to create a modern center for the production and maintenance of armored vehicles in Spain, capable of competing at the global level. EM&E Group's main production complex is located in Alcalá de Henares, Madrid, and spans 45,000 square meters, where advanced defense systems are designed and manufactured. Additionally, the company has production sites in Córdoba, Huesca, Asturias, Cádiz, and Valencia. In Córdoba, within the Rabanals 21 Technology Park, EM&E Group is developing new facilities for the production of guided munitions and the assembly of high-mobility artillery rocket systems, SILAM, for the Spanish Army. The JAIS 6x6 armored vehicle, which will be produced under the agreement, is a modern machine highly resistant to mine blasts, improvised explosive devices IEDs, and ballistic threats. Equipped with a 600 horsepower engine, the JAIS 6x6 can reach speeds of up to 105 km per hour and travel up to 700 km without refueling. Its modular design allows for adaptation to various roles, including armored personnel carrier, infantry fighting vehicle, medical evacuation vehicle, and command and control vehicle. The vehicle accommodates up to 11 personnel and features advanced protection systems, making it suitable for deployment in various combat scenarios. The partnership between EM&E Group and NIMR will allow Spain to strengthen its position in the international defense market and increase its level of technological independence. The production of the JAIS 6x6 in Spain marks a significant step in the development of the national military industry, opening new opportunities for the export of high-tech products and enhancing the country's defense capabilities.